Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to use functional location in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app. Basically, functional location allow organization to structure physical spaces that may be a little more complex in just residential homes, whether it's a campus, a building, a factory, and a farm. So it lets you model out the location, structure, and a place assets at the proper location. So create a work order, and what it also does in from the technician perspective, like when they go out and it have a work order is assigned to them, so they easily click on that function location and it understand easily like where they need to go in the factory, building, etc. Also understand what that layout is in context of the entire space and where the assets are located. And from a technician perspective, so we are on a work order and where this work order is assigned to which is second floor. So if I wanted to end, I could also click the asset and which would open up a similar experience. So click on functional location from here and then click on assets and location tab. So right over there, because I click on second floor, so we can see this is the highlighted. So that is the part of the Microsoft Braven and its floor number second. So I would like to get to form and understanding where the asset or where the location is and I need to perform the service I could see. Now what I can do is I can click on show assets checkbox from here. So I can also understand where my are in relation to the physical location. Now I can always start to search. So I can search as smart brew. So as you can see, the search dynamically finds smart brew. So I can see that it is being located. So the benefit of this experience is like I am a technician and I need to add new assets. So firstly, I am adding a new location. So click on Microsoft Braven and then click on three dot from here and now click on new location from here. Like I am giving the name as floor 6 and then click on save from here. Now floor 6 is shows up and it give you the opportunity and really easily build out your location structure from the mobile application. Now click on floor 6 and then I can add new asset. So click on three dot from here. Now I can add new assets and it allow me to input that the asset which relate to the function location and which then ties to the entire service process. Now click on new asset from here. So give the name of new asset as sensor test and then click on save from here. So asset is added here. So in this video we covered asset servicing and utilizing function location on the Dynamic 365 mobile app. Thanks for watching.